Well, here's what we know. Dr. Jonae Khaldun says that all the data that you just spoke about, it indicates that we are at the beginning of a concerning new surge in COVID-19 cases and that we need to change what we're doing in order to stop it from becoming much worse. While the state has increased testing, Dr. Jonae Khaldun says the data shows the increase in COVID cases is due to a real surge in the virus's presence in our communities.
Our current 7-day average for deaths is increasing. On October 25th, that 7-day average was 19 deaths, twice what it was a month ago. We are also identifying more and more outbreaks. Last week, we identified more outbreaks than we have since we started tracking.
She says unless we change our behaviors now, the situation is going to get worse. As a result, the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services Director Robert Gordon announced new orders impacting gatherings. It reduces from 500 to 50 people, the maximum size for indoor gatherings without fixed seating. He says this change responds to global evidence that indoor settings are as much as 20 times likelier to drive outbreaks than outdoor settings. Bars and restaurants now are only allowed to seat 6 at a table. Plus, they will also be required to take names and contact information to support effective contact tracing if necessary.
The only way to beat COVID is to act on what we have learned already. Today's orders establish new requirements and set up a path for enforcement. But the heart of our effort to beat COVID will be in the hearts and minds of individual Michiganders of every race and politics choosing to protect human life and to act on the science.
He says that these orders are not just recommendations, they are the law. They are backed by penalties that include jail time and fines. The goal right now, though, is education to get everyone to voluntarily take part in changing behavior to prevent the spread of this virus. Reporting live, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.